My name's Aaron Wilson. I am a father of two, a huge comic nerd, and absolutely love what I do. I started in 2016, very early in 2016. I went to school for that previously, and I've been up and running in the industry since. Okay, so I'm considered a setup machinist. My job is to take what the programmers give me and turn it into the finished part. Make sure that we have safe operation and that part runs according to specs. I've got two favorites. If I had to pick one, I would say it's the team environment. However, I don't think that it clearly wins first place, because the fact that we have all new technology, new machines, and I'm getting to work with things that I've seen out in the industry but never got to put my hands on, that's a close second to the team environment here.
So if your job came with a warning label, what would that warning label say?
Run. No, I'm just kidding. If my job came with a warning label, pay attention.
What differentiates a machinist from an operator?
Okay, so an operator is typically handed a program, as I said before, that's proven out. It is safe, it is good to go. Their job is to make sure that that machine is running at all times. My job starts with making sure there's no errors. That's the most important thing that I do that separates me from an operator, is I get it ready and safely enough to be handed off to production. The most important part of my job is safety, because I need to be safe not only for me, but for the guy behind me as well. My job is to make sure that when I hand off that program, they get to go home that day. Machining is very dangerous. So every day I have an opportunity to cause bodily harm to myself or somebody else if I'm not as careful as I can be. I am the most common problem I run into as a setup machinist. The programs tend to be good, tooling tends to be good. I am my own worst enemy. I double check everything to an extent that I drive myself crazy sometimes.
So if your MX330 was turned into a person, what would its biggest complaint be?
He's always telling me to stop, because I'm always stopping to measure something and check my dimensions, and that means the machine's got to sit and wait at my command. I'd love to, in 5 years, be some kind of supervisor, maybe have a team under me who's doing what I do now, so I can supervise what they do and help those people grow. Like I said, I like to help, so that's something that comes natural to me, and that would be the right fit for me, in my opinion.
Sounds good. Thank you for spending this time with us, and hope to see you around.
Thank you.